My name's Larry Ledford. I've gotten 2 or 3 different products from Innovaum. I'm a big comic book fan, superhero fan thing, and one of the products was a bust of Superman that they printed out. And then another product was, I'm really into aircraft manufacturing stuff. That's my job that I do. And I started with a new company, and they were able to produce a 3D printed model of the aircraft that I'm working on. The thing that impressed me the most was how realistic the detail was in it. I mean, it had the windows in it, it had the landing gear, it had all this stuff, all the different, the spokes on the wheels. I mean, it was impressive what they can do with 3D printing. The thing I like about Innovaum, honestly, is the feeling you get working with the people that work there. They all seem to enjoy their job. They love what they do. It's very personal, and you have a very personal experience with everyone, no matter if it's the guy in the shop, the lady that works in marketing, or the owner himself. They'll all talk to you as if they've known you forever.